Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new at all, my name is Jacoby, and this channel is designed to help you learn things, whether it's restoring furniture or cooking. Today's episode, my only question for you is, do you like chocolate pie? So here's the story. My wife's grandmother made these incredible chocolate pies. Unfortunately, I only got to know my wife's grandmother for a small amount of time. She was an incredible lady, a loving lady, but there was two things that really stood out to me about her. One, her Southern belle-ness, and two, these magnificent chocolate pies. So before she passed away, she actually taught my wife how to make these pies. So a couple weeks ago, Chelsea and I were talking, and I said I had an idea for a video. How confident are you to cook your grandma's chocolate pies without the recipe? She said, I know the recipe like the back of my hand. So we're gonna put that to the test today. She is going to attempt to make two pies. One, the first one without the recipe, and the second one with the recipe. And then me and my daughter Trinity are gonna do a taste test to see if we can decide which one was with the recipe or which one was without the recipe. Well, I hope you enjoy the video, and here we go. So the pies are done, and now it's for the taste test. But the kicker is it's going to be blindfolded. So before us, we have 2 pieces of the pie. They're still pretty hot. So it's going to kind of throw me off because I like the cold pie. So we have the pie in front of us, and we're going to, I'm going to be the first one blindfolded. And Trinity is going to feed me a piece of each, a little bite of each of them. And then I'm going to turn around and do the same. And then at the end, we're going to count down from 3. And we're going to point to which one we think was the recipe.
I know which one already.
Was the recipe. All right? You know which one already?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Yeah, because in the beginning, there was one darker, and that was the one that was without the recipe. And there was one lighter that my mom was making.
I thought they kind of looked both the same.
But look, this one's darker and that one's lighter.
One of the things I think may give it away is I feel like that one's a little thicker, so that one may be the recipe.
So we have mixed opinions.
So which one do you think the recipe?
I think it's this one.
You think it's that one? I think it's that one.
I think it's this one.
I know it's that one because the way it looks.
But that one's darker.
It doesn't matter if it's darker.
Yeah, it does, because Mom said that the darker one on the thing was the one that was not the thing.
But it's thicker.
But it's darker.
And she added more milk to the non-recipe one.
Duh. Okay.
All right, so let's go ahead and try this out.
Which one do you want to try first?
You surprise me, okay? Keep them like this though. Don't change the plates up.
Yes.
Okay? All right.
Okay.
All right.
Do you want a piece of the crunch?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
But try it. If you do the pizza crust on one, do the crust on the other too.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
No, it's warm. It's okay. Okay, that one's sweet. Chocolatey. Got a little bit of cinnamony in it. All right, let's try the other one.
Okay. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
On your mouth.
That one's not as sweet. But still good. They're both great. That one's just not as sweet.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so
now it's
I'm gonna keep my opinions to myself on which one I think it is until after Trinity tries them. That may be too big.
Yep.
That's too big. But after Trinity tries them, then we'll give our opinion on them.
They both look really good though. So.
They both taste really good.
Yes.
It's really hard.
I can't see anything.
Can't see anything.
No.
Okay.
Nice and dark. Okay.
All right. So now it's Trinity's turn. So I've got Trinity's fork here, and I'm going to set my fork aside, and then we're gonna give this a try. Do you want crust or no crust?
I don't care.
You don't care? Okay.
I don't care.
Let me make sure I get.
It's gonna be hot.
It's warm. It's not hot. It's just warm.
No. Ooh, that was a lot of cocoa. That one has a lot of cocoa in it. But it's good. Next.
All right, here we go. The second one. Hold on, let me get some of the meringue. Oh.
Ow! Oh, this is hard. I like the one that I just ate better than the first one because The first one has a little bit too much cocoa, and this one has like the right amount of cocoa, and it's really nice and sweet. I really like this one.
All right, so take off your blindfold. All right, so let's talk about which one. I fed you that one first, and then that one.
I knew it.
Which one did you feed me first?
This one.
Yeah, you knew it. Yeah. And you thought that one's not as sweet as this one?
No, that one has more cocoa in it.
This one has more cocoa in it? Okay. All right, so now on the count of 3, we're going to put our hand over the one we think is the recipe.
Okay, so the one that is the recipe, not the one that's not the recipe.
The one that is the recipe. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
No! No, I like this one.
This one is the recipe.
How did you know?
I don't know.
I know this.
So on the bottom of them, Chelsea made put the letter R on the bottom of the plate to know which one was which. All right, let's show the audience. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Can they see that, Micah? Don't bump the table because you.
No.
They can't see it.
Wait, you can barely see it.
You can barely see it. Okay. So which one do you like better?
Me?
Yeah.
I like both, but I like this one better.
Because it has more sugar.
No, because that one has.
Wait, what's the microphone?
Sorry. Again. This one tastes like it has more cocoa, and I'm like, I don't like that.
Yeah.
It is thick. I don't like the thickness of it. And this one I really like because it doesn't have much cocoa, and it's not too thick. Like it doesn't get stuck to my teeth or anything. It's just like it's good. I like this one. Which one do you like better?
I like the one with the recipe.
Why?
I feel like that one was too sweet.
Maybe I just like sweet things then.
Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share with your friends and family. And one other thing is, I'm trying to kind of mix in some of these more entertaining video challenges like this. It won't be solely this for this channel, but just every once in a while, if you want to see something else, place a comment down below what you'd like us to see the challenge next to do. So. But anyway, just remember, KISS, keep it simple, stupid.